Hi, I'm just making my lunch today, and it's a sweet potato salad. It's a raw sweet potato salad with a creamy curry dressing. Sweet potatoes, when they're raw, they're completely different than when they're cooked. They don't have that sweetness, but they're very mild and they have a beautiful crunch to them. And I actually prefer them when they're uncooked. It still has the same amount of points. I'm using a half of a sweet potato, and it's going to be 3 points. My dressing is about 1 point. So I spiralized my sweet potato. If you're not familiar with spiralizing, you know that it comes in these really long strands, so you have to cut that down. And this is all I do, just to make it manageable. And when I spiralized it, I used my, let's see if I can get this out, my smallest setting. So this is the smallest blade. These are quite fine, so like a spaghetti texture. My spiralizer is a German company. It's called Lurch. I'll link the name of the company below. I don't know if they still make them like this anymore. I love it because I can put my pressure down instead of coming sideways. I always had a lot of problems when it came sideways because it would come loose from the countertop. So let's get going with this. My sweet potatoes. And into this I'm going to add some grapes. The recipe called for raisins. Raisins have points. Why not use the real thing? And I've got some chopped up black plums here. Oops, got one left here. And I'm going to garnish this with some pomegranate seeds after. So my dressing, it's a creamy curry curry dressing, and it has almond butter as the base. So I'm just going to add in a couple tablespoons of this. And I'll mix it up. And that's about it. I don't want to use too much dressing because then it gets pretty soggy. Now, if you can just bear with me for 1 minute, I have to get a bowl for my salad. This is really delicious. I love raw sweet potatoes. I posted a recipe the other day on a raw sweet potato salad. It was in a slaw. That's that. Clean up my edges here. Add in my pomegranate seeds. All of my add-ons are 0 points, except for some toasted Pepitas I have. So I've got a couple tablespoons here. I just toasted them on the oven, on the stovetop, I mean. These are 1 point. So this is my salad. It's absolutely delicious. I hope that you'll give it a try because it's just a change from the ordinary sweet potatoes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. My name's Jill.